I don't fight it anymore, I let it sit. This pain don't shout, it exists. No fists clenched, no walls to break. I learned some wounds don't need escape. I used to panic, used to react. Now I just notice where it's at. It lives in my chest, not in my hands. I don't push it away, I understand. Not everything heavy comes with sound. Some things hurt most when they don't pound. Pain without noise, no tears, no fight. I carry it calm through day and night. Pain without noise, no need to explain. It stays with me, but it don't rain. I don't explain myself to the past. Some things don't heal, they just last. I don't look for reasons, don't need blame. I stop turning feelings into flames. I breathe through it now, step by step. Not trying to forget, not holding it tight. I don't let it define me, don't let it decide. It's a part of me, not the whole inside. I learned that silence ain't weakness. Sometimes it's just a form of patience. Pain without noise, steady and slow. I feel it deep, but I don't show. Pain without noise, it walks with me. Not a prison anymore, just history. Pain without noise, steady and slow. I feel it deep, but I don't show. Pain without noise, yeah. It walks with me, not a prison anymore, just history. Not a prison anymore, just history, yeah. I don't need closure to move ahead. Some chapters close inside your head. I still feel weight, I still feel scars, but they don't pull me off my path. I'm not numb, I'm not free. I'm just learning how to let pain be. No drama left, no need to hide. I don't run from it, I walk beside. Some pain doesn't leave, it just learns how to stay quiet. Some pain doesn't leave, yeah. It just learns how to stay quiet. It just learns how to stay quiet.